On the northern shores of Lake Nalubale, today's Lake Victoria, small clans once lived scattered among forests and hills. They fished, farmed, and fought in isolation. There was no kingdom, no uniting leader. But around the 14th century, a man named Kato Kintu rose among them. Tradition says he came from the direction of Mount Elgon or the Sese Islands, bringing peace where there had been conflict. Kintu united the rival clans and became the first Kabaka of Buganda, founding a royal line that continues to this day. Under Kintu, Buganda took shape, built on the strength of its clans, each with its totem, leader, and duty. The Fumbe, Ngeye, Ngabi, Nkima, and many others formed the backbone of the new kingdom. Unity came not by blood alone, but by shared identity and loyalty to the throne. As generations passed, Kabaka Chwanabaka and later Kabaka Kimera strengthened the kingdom. Kimera, who ruled in the 15th century, reorganized Buganda's army and expanded its borders into Kiagwe and Bulemezi. By then, Buganda was no longer a collection of clans. It was a rising regional power. The Kabakas ruled from hilltop capitals, Nono, Wanika, and later Mengo, each new hill marking the reign of a new king. This tradition symbolized renewal and authority, as every Kabaka built his palace on a different hill to show new rule. By the 17th century, Buganda had become a centralized kingdom, ruled through appointed clan heads, Bataka, and county chiefs, Bamazaza. The Kabaka's word became law, enforced by loyal warriors and royal messengers. From the shores of Lake Victoria to the fertile lands of Singo, Gomba, and Kiagwe, Buganda's influence spread rapidly. Its economy flourished on banana cultivation, fishing, bark cloth production, and ironwork. Every household contributed tribute to the king, food, cloth, and labor, strengthening royal authority. Spiritually, the Kabaka stood as the bridge between the people and the gods, honored through sacred drums, spears, and royal regalia. In Buganda, religion, politics, and identity were inseparable. By the dawn of the 18th century, Buganda had transformed from scattered clans into one of the most organized kingdoms in East Africa. A state born of unity, discipline, and vision. The drums of Buganda would soon echo far beyond her hills, announcing the rise of a power that no neighbor could ignore.